Yes, very powerful, bro. So
Also, it's real practical.
absolutely, it is practical, and it's the avenue to freedom.
Mhm.
I judge so much that I'm a prisoner in my own mind.
Do you feel like when it comes to, because you've taught me this one, and you were doing this a lot, I know, especially with people in traffic or whatever, and that's to practice compassion. Because to me, compassion is the enemy of judgment. It's the enemy. When you see someone you want to criticize, and you can challenge yourself to see their humanity
Yes.
and see
Yes.
that they're struggling just like you, they're imperfect just like you, and then you can practice, notice the word, you practice compassion. I believe that it opens the door to the higher self to allow him, they, them, whatever, here to come in and heal, begin to heal. I think the higher self is the one, and just through that window of grace, the higher self is the one that has to do the work.
Absolutely. Yeah. Well, that is the miracle. That's the freedom that we're discussing when I start to break the bonds of my inner judgment. And so the teaching that I want to talk with you about, bro, I'm very excited to talk about this, is that neuroscientists and psychologists have found and proven that the human brain perceives the world through a story. We do not perceive the world object first, story second. We don't do that. The brain does this so well, it does it in a millisecond. We perceive the world story first, object second. I don't see this and say circular cylinder with liquid. That is not what my brain says. My brain says, that's a 3/4 gallon. I'm supposed to drink 2 of those a day. My body is going to be hydrated. It's going to push the nutrients into my muscle tissue. It's going to make me high functioning. And I'm probably going to live in the bathroom. That's a story. And then my brain perceives the object and my fingers can grip it to the appropriate size and all that. That's how we see everything. I don't look at a car and say a rectangular piece of metal with 4 wheels and a steering. I don't do that. I say, that's nice. I bet you it's fast. And it was expensive. Lovely. And then I perceive the metal and wheels. So that's how we're perceiving the world all the time. Just like you said, bro, the solution, just like you said, to my judgment is compassion. I need to view the world with compassionate eyes. I need to have a compassionate story. That's not going to happen in my ego.